What is waiting for me? At last it came.
A family rooted deep, forced to flee. With faith in God, they crossed to be free. Now thriving strong, where hope still grows. Proof that life can bloom wherever it goes.
To open the box, you must just peel this one. You take it and you peel it off. Because you're going to use this box again. So don't take a knife and cut it all over. Just open it the way they say you must off it. There it's standing tear. And you just tear it off and it flips open. I removed it and I read the instructions, and then I decided I'm going to make a video about it that you can be prepared for you who will have to do it. And the instructions is actually very simple, straightforward. So just read the instructions and then you do your thing. So I'm gonna unbox it for you now. You get inside here, already opened it. So you will get this sample stick. You get a bottle with water. Then you get the little container. And you will get this one. This one you open like this and you put it over your toilet. And then you put this one like this and you drop your stool inside here. Please remember, when you do on the comments, be kind in your comments, because YouTube is penalizing me also, even for words like KAK. They penalize me, and AI is picking up everything. So what you leave inside is you leave this bag and you leave this little tray inside here. I hope you can see it. So all you're gonna use is this. You're gonna put this on your toilet seat. You drop your thing. You take your sample with this. You put it back in here. Then you put the water inside there. And then you close it. You put it back, and then you can call UPS to come pick it up. So I'm going to put this now next to the toilet, and when I'm ready, I'm going to do this and show you how it must be done. So let's see how it is going to go. On one of the papers you get where they put the example. They give a big example here what to do. And now I'm going to write in, I've done it. The month, always the month, first year in America. Oh, today is what?
The 4th month.
I want to put my birth date in here. The 4th of, en vandag is 23. 23 and it is
26. 2026.
26.
The same.
Date of collection, time of collection. O, dis die tyd. Die tyd kan ek nie nou insit. O, vanoggend se. So it is 2 stickers. 04/2/3/26. That's it. Now I'm gonna put it on the label. Right, let me set up this thing in the toilet. There it is. Now I mustn't miss this spot. Okay, this is done now. And now you take this one off, and this one you throw away. It's not going with the package. So now I'm gonna take this sample they want. It's a little thing with riffles here, and there's some water in here, or chemical, whatever it is. So they say you must take a sample like this, and now you put it back in here. There's a little groove it must go in.
Shake.
So, huh?
Okay.
I don't know if you must shake it, but anyway, there it is. Now, I'm gonna take this bottle. This chemical, I suppose it's a chemical. And now I put all of that in here. And then you screw the lid up. There it is. Okay, so now I take the sticker. Whoa. That's what I see on the instructions. I don't know where to put this one, but they show. Let me just put it like this on this other label. That's right. Now I'm gonna put it in here. And there's even a place where you put this one. You see, there it is now. And now you close it up.
Yeah.
Hoe maak jy hom toe?
You take this off and then it will lock here.
There's my sample key. They can have my sample now. Okay, now you must tear off this label here. Let me see. The instructions is actually very nice. I'm only going on to the instructions. I never done this before. There's a lot of things I'm doing here in America I haven't done before.
Can I help you?
Yeah. It's
It's
hard.
not easy.
Ek weet nie, moet jy die hele... Oh, daar is het. Okay, there it goes. Now I must lift this up. Oh, I think that is that. You just tear off this top. Okay, that's what they say. I'm just following the instructions on this paper. Wys jou. And now I'm gonna go to the website. No, you can call that people and then see what they are saying, how we're gonna ship it. All right, shop. Alright, I have found this number now that is on the label, and there's a lot of steps you must go through, and you press 1 or 2 or whatever it is available, and then on the end they are scheduling the UPS pickup. So now I've already done that. I peeled off this information here on the top, and now I have to put this one outside by my door, and the UPS pickup will come pick it up during the day. Okay, shop. That is how you do it.
Meet Sadie, our tiny teacup Yorkie with a big personality. She lives for treats, her playtime, and being right by our side. We're trying to bring her with us to the USA, and any support, whether it's a donation or even just a prayer, would really mean everything to us. If you'd like to help or learn more, please click the link in the description. And thank you so much, Happy Foreigners, for supporting us through this journey.